Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video is about PMP certification preparation. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will be going through what is PMI, and then we will go through the various PMP requirements, after which we will see how to train for the certification, and then we will go on to see how to get certified. Topic 1. What is PMI? The PMI is the premier institute for everything related to project management. The institute was founded in 1969 to advocate project management. PMI provides standards and practice guides for various project management methodologies like Agile. They also publish the latest trends and best practices in project management. PMI certifications are globally recognized and hold a lot of merits. The Project Management Professional, or the PMP certification, is offered by the Project Management Institute, or the PMI. It is a globally recognized certification that validates a project manager's skill of managing processes, priorities, and people involved in a project. The certification can be obtained by project managers from various industries, including IT, business, health, and construction. PMP Requirements. Before you can take the PMP exam, you need to make sure you meet all the requirements. The PMP certification's requirements are as follows. You need to either hold a 4-year degree with 36 months as a project leader and 35 hours of project management training or CAPM certification, or a high school diploma or associate's degree with 60 months as project leader and 35 hours of project management training or CAPM certification. Now, the question is, how much do you have to pay for taking the PMP exam? Currently, the exam fees is about 245 euros for the PMI members and 447 euros for non-PMI members. Candidates can purchase the PMI memberships at 25 euros for students, 52 euros for the retirees in the field, and 103 euros for a standard membership. Next topic is how to train. Initially, go through the PMP OK Guide. The Guide to the Project Management Body of Knowledge is a book published by the PMI that serves as an important resource for the project management. 2. Enroll in a PMP training course. There are various PMP certification training courses that can help you prepare for your PMP exam. The Knowledge Academy's PMP certification training courses gives you 3 options of classes. You can choose from online instructor-led training of 5 days, classroom training of 5 days, and online self-paced training for 40 hours. The course is accredited by the PMI and provides 35 contact hours required to become eligible for the PMP exam. 3. Get the PMP Exam Prep by PMI. PMI has developed an online self-paced course to help candidates preparing for the PMP exam. It makes sure that the candidate gets the required 35 contact hours during the course. The course uses a lot of real-world scenarios to give candidates some hands-on experience in applying project management principles. 4. Download the PMP Handbook. Published by the PMI, the PMP Handbook contains everything you need to know about the PMP exam. It will just take 20 minutes to go through the contents of the book, and it will answer any questions you have about the PMP certifications or the PMP exam. Create a custom study plan according to your personal space. The PMP exam is a serious undertaking, and studying for it can be a bit intimidating. You'll need to properly plan it out according to your own pace so you don't overload yourself. Divide your study material over weeks and set a goal for each week. Decide how many hours you're going to study every day and the chapters you're going to cover. This is especially important for working professionals. Self-study books. If you've decided to study by yourself, you can refer to some self-study books to prepare for the PMP exam. projectmanagement.com has prepared a list of the best 5 PMP exam books that contains the updated information on everything you need to know. Formal study courses offered by the PMI chapters. The PMI has chapters all around the world. PMI chapters are project management dedicated communities that are run by volunteers that help you connect with other project management aspirants and professionals in your area. These chapters offer formal study courses for PMP aspirants to help them prepare for the PMP certification exam. Get thorough with the PMP examination content outline. Before appearing for the PMP certification exam, you should get familiar with its outline. This way, you'll have enough information to thoroughly prepare for the exam and ace it. The outline is available in various languages and you can find it on PMI's official website. Finally, take the PMP practice exam. You can take a practice exam before you actually prepare for your PMP exam. This will give you an idea of how ready you are to take the exam and what areas you need to work on. PMI offers a PMP practice exam for €82 that follows the same format as the real exam. Next topic, how to get certified. Now that you have all the information on PMP certification, let's talk about how you can get it. Make sure you're eligible for the PMP certification. We've talked about how the 2 ways you can become eligible for the PMP certification. You'll need a 4-year degree or a high school diploma or associate degree. In both the cases, you need a minimum of 35 contact hours. These contact hours can be gained by enrolling in a professional PMP certification training course or the PMI exam prep. You'll need a thorough report of your projects and trainings. You'll need proper information of your roles and responsibilities, what was your duration of the projects, etc. You'll need to meet all the PMP certification eligibility criteria to get the PMP certification. There are different ways you can gather all the necessary experience. Here's how. For project management professional, if you're a project management professional, you can gather all the required hours of work experience on the job. If you don't have them already, all you have to do is put in the time and gather the remaining hours to meet the PMP certification eligibility criteria. If you're not working as a project management professional, it might be a little difficult for you to gain all the necessary work experience. But there are still ways you can still become eligible for the exam. Here's what you can do. A. Change your role. If you're in a role that doesn't give you enough time to spend on your managing projects, you can go forward to changing your position. Talk to your manager about how you can provide more value to the project by leading and directing projects. You can also tell them about your goal of getting the PMP certification and how this will help you attain that faster. Having a PMP certified professional in their organization is excellent leverage for your employers. B. Go for job change. If your organization doesn't provide you with the opportunity to change your role and responsibility, you can look for a different organization that aligns more with your goals. This will help you get better chance where you can negotiate your roles and responsibilities to make sure you get enough time leading and directing projects. Thank you for watching. Did this video inspire you to advance your career in project management? Then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey to becoming a project management professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for courses such as the PMP Exam Prep Bootcamp, CAPM Exam Prep Bootcamp, PMI ACP Certification Training, and many more. Visit our website to get details about the courses. Get in touch with our consultants. Inquire now.